Hi, my name is Romy. I work for the West Harris Trust, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different types of bird feeders made from recycled goods that you have just around your house. This activity will be great for your little ones who are home from school at the minute, and this event also coincides with the RSPB's Big Garden Bird Watch, which is happening between the 29th and the 31st of January, which is this weekend. Below I'll put a wee link to the RSPB so you can get involved with that too. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Here we have the 3 different types of bird feeders we will be making today. A milk bottle bird feeder, an egg box bird feeder, and a toilet paper tube bird feeder. The items you will require to make these are a milk bottle, an egg box, toilet paper tube, wooden spoon, scissors, a pen, a tablespoon, peanut butter and wild bird seed. You will also need some string. I am borrowing the handles from an old gift bag, but ideally you would want garden twine. Alongside this video I will post the things that you should and you should not feed to the birds. So first we're going to make one of these. So you're going to get your little toilet roll tube and your peanut butter on your spoon, and you're just going to spread your peanut butter over like so. Bring in your plate of seeds, and all you do is roll you take your string, your thread or your garden twine, and you just pop it through the middle. Suggest hang it somewhere that's visible from your window. There we are. Okay, so that is 1 of 3, and we move on. Now we're on to the easiest one of all, which is the egg box. And you can probably guess what we're going to do. We're just going to pop 2 wee holes in the sides here and fill with some bird seed. So all you're going to do is mark where you would like your little holes to go and cut them out. This one here, just pierce the hole there. So what I'm going to do is pop in the little string before we pour in the bird seed. And I think you'll agree with me that this one was the easiest by far to make. Now we've got the string in, we're ready to go. Pop them in the garden. The next bird feeder we're going to make is the milk bottle / plastic bottle bird feeder. The first thing you want to do is to draw on either side little circles that you're going to cut out. I suggest you do this with an adult. These little holes are going to be for your wooden spoon, so you want to cut them wide enough for your wooden spoon to go through. So I have drawn my little circles, and now I'm going to cut them out. You can see I have cut out the holes. Don't worry if they're not perfect, it doesn't matter, as long as they are big enough for your wooden spoon to pop through. And now what we're going to do is we're going to cut a hole just above for the bird seed to pour out onto the wooden spoon. Pop the spoon through like so and fill it up with bird seed. So what you can do is take a piece of paper and roll it up into a cone shape, like so, and pop that in the top of your bottle, and then it'll help you pour in your birdseed. Here we have our milk bottle bird feeder. I am going to use the handle of it to hang from a branch in the garden. If you have used a plastic bottle without a handle, you can just use some string to tie it around the neck and hang it off a branch or a post. I'm now ready to hang them in the garden, and since my little puppy has been very well behaved, I'm going to allow him to lick the peanut butter off of the spoon.